fix my eyes on you.
Hello, Psyche Nikki here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be attending one of the event here in Cebu, and this is my hair. It's so messy, but I love it. And on my brows, I use the Etude House, my favorite one, and on my lips, I use the Everyday Love. I forgot, but it's very gorgeous. My outfit for today is just this, and then I'm bringing my little bit of tripod and my shoes. I'm ready. Guys, I'm already here at Park Mall, and I'm at the opening of Slade District Restaurant. Hello. Hi. And guys, I'm going to insert the clip of the foods. It's very delicious, and you need to come here and visit. If you're in Cebu, you need to visit here. Busy si Christine, guys.
Hi!
Parating busy. Plug mo yung
Follow Psyche Nikki.
ganun?
Check out her makeup tutorial. She's a really good makeup artist.
Wow, ganun.
Someday I'd like to have my face done.
Grabe mga guys. I'm with Christine again from Poetic Isolation. Oh. And Sir Herbert, I'm going to place their names on the screen. You will be able to follow them. Please follow them, guys, and then tell them that I sent you. Again, guys, I'm with Ramsey DJ.
You're watching Psyche Nikki's vlog.
Yeah, yo. Vlogger behind Calami Cebu, Sir Carlo.
Like and subscribe!
Yes, follow him, guys. Guys, naabot na dyan si Kuro.
Nasa ko sa imong vlog.
Shibog time. Kakain na tayo, guys. We're going to eat. I'm super hungry.
Ito lang mga piso reaction. Kuro, ayan now. Close up niya.
Oh, hi! Hi, camera!
We're going to eat.
Yeah, we're gonna eat now!
Yes. What's your YouTube channel?
Okay, my YouTube channel is Tara the Snap Vlogger. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, and
Yes. Can subscribe.
Yeah. Just check out what's in there, guys. Basically, MC playlist. Bye! Whoa! Whoa!
Guys, ang dami.
Oh,
Grabe.
thank you for helping me.
Kuro, what can you say about the food?
Lami kaayo.
Lami kayo.
Yes, very yummy.
This is our first restaurant that we're using the slate stone in serving instead of the usual plate. We're using the stone plate, which is the slate stone. So that would be the perfect combination for the new fusion dishes. We're located at Park Mall, Al Fresco, ground floor area.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. The food is really delicious, guys. You need to check them out. Yo. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so bye-bye. See you soon.
Guys, so we have just finished eating in Slate District.
Yes. What's your YouTube channel, babe? What's your YouTube channel, babe? What's your YouTube channel, babe?
My YouTube channel is Tara the Snap Vlogger. She's gonna put that, link down below. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, and share on my YouTube channel and on her YouTube channel.